Okay, we're recording. Dean from SchH1 Shepherds. This is Gina and Kolt litter. I've just snapped a bunch of pics. They are, let me tell you, very, very awesome. They all stack themselves. Their pigment, their looks, it's just, these guys are one amazing litter. There's only 4 of them, so they're nice and fat and just top quality. These guys are just awesome. I'm very impressed. I'm going to try manual focus on this. I don't know if this is going to work. We're outside, it's really bright. I don't know if this is focusing or not. There's a little red collar. It's my daughter's favorite. For what? Oh, I know why. Because she follows you everywhere. She follows her everywhere. And then we got little. Is this blue? Yeah, blue. Blue collar. It's very interesting. She runs around, does her own thing. Pretty independent. But look at the movement on them. Oh, who's this? Who's that? Purple. Purple collar. Say hi, Purple. Hi.
Kolt.
Hi, Purple. Big mouth Kolt in the background. Oh, this one's taking a poop. Okay, so where's the other one? We got red, blue, purple. Oh, there he is. She. Yellow. Yellow. Say hi. Kolt! He doesn't like puppies. Very jealous. He's like a big baby. So that's a short little video clip of Gina and Kolt pups. They are awesome. Over and out.